So this is the washing machine. Yeah. There's the old stones.
Yeah.
Oh. And there's their pigeons. They're raising pigeons. Remember, they're going to save the pigeon poop for the tanning of the leather. Look at all the pigeons
Every house
in
got
the
their own
boxes.
hammam. You don't have a public bathroom here. This is a hammam. You get the wood over there. The water, okay, it get hot, you go inside. Look inside, only for one person.
Oh, okay.
You cannot go with one together, no.
It's a sauna.
It's a sauna.
Yeah. You got it.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? So this is their bathhouse here. Come up here and look in the bathhouse.
like this, not the same Marrakesh and hammam public. Each house have a small hammam. You have 5 for the wood, Nissan for washing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks. Can I block this side? Mind your head?
Oh, no, I wouldn't fit.
Really? That's no, that's big one. Yes.
Show it to Don.
Oh yeah. So then here's their shop where they sell things. I'm sure we're
Later,
gonna
you can have a
be
look
here.
at the shop later.
Yes, yes. I'm just videotaping.
This one here, please.
And that's Brian. He's been the character of the trip, I'll tell you.
Avocado tree, avocado.
Yes.
Fig and avocado. That's an avocado tree, Dawn. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're moving here. You ready to go tomorrow? They grow avocados here. This is fabulous.